Have you ever noticed how some speakers can walk into a room, share a simple story, and suddenly everyone is listening? Why? Because stories have power. They can touch emotions, create connection, and turn even the simplest idea into something unforgettable. And today, we're going to unlock that power. Because, as an entrepreneur, your story might just be your strongest advantage. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the importance and power of storytelling in presenting ideas, learn strategies for crafting compelling narratives, explore real examples of effective storytelling in business and entrepreneurship. 1. The power of storytelling. Storytelling is one of the most effective ways to communicate ideas. Why? Because stories do something facts cannot. Stories evoke emotion, build trust, make complex ideas simple, help your audience remember your message, inspire them to take action. Whether you're pitching your startup, marketing your product, or sharing your vision, storytelling helps your idea come alive. 2. Crafting your story. Every compelling story contains 4 basic elements. A. The character, the hero, or protagonist of the story. This might be you, your customer, your company, or even your idea. B. The setting, the world or situation where the story begins. This sets the context and helps the audience understand the environment or challenge. C. The conflict. This is the tension, the problem your hero faces, the struggle that makes your audience lean in. D. The resolution. This is where the hero overcomes the challenge, often because of the solution your idea brings. These 4 elements help your audience feel your message, not just hear it. 3. Engaging the audience. A great story is not just what you say, it's how you say it. Enhance your storytelling through descriptive language that paints a picture, varying tone and pace to build emotion, body language and facial expressions to reinforce your message, eye contact to create connection. A powerful story is performed, not just recited. 4. Making your idea the hero. Sometimes your idea is the protagonist. Ask, what problem gave birth to this idea? What challenges did it face? How did it evolve? How does it change lives? Framing your idea as a character makes your audience root for it. 5. Storytelling in different formats. Storytelling isn't limited to speaking. It can be done through photos, videos, graphics, short films, social media content. In a digital world, multimedia storytelling helps you reach a wider audience. A short, well-produced video about your startup's journey can be more powerful than a 10-minute speech. 6. A strong opening and closing. Your opening determines interest. Your closing determines impact. Great openings, a surprising fact, a personal moment, a bold statement, a compelling question. Strong closings, a call to action, a key takeaway, a memorable line, a returning callback to your opener. The first and last 10 seconds of your story matter the most. 7. Using data in storytelling. Data gives credibility, but raw data is boring. To make data powerful, simplify, visualize, highlight the conflict. Highlight the resolution. Charts, infographics, and simple titles help turn numbers into meaning. Let's look at a powerful local example. Tony Tan Kakshong started as a small ice cream parlor owner. He had limited resources, but a big dream. Then came the conflict. Global fast food chains entered the Philippines, threatening local businesses. Instead of giving up, Tony listened to Filipino tastes and embraced what made us unique: sweet-style spaghetti, Filipino-style fried chicken, joyful branding. The resolution. Jollibee didn't just survive. It became a national icon and expanded around the world. A simple story of resilience and identity became a brand narrative people could believe in. Ask yourself, who is the hero of your story? Is it you, your company, your customer, or your idea? What conflict makes your story worth listening to? What challenge or problem pushes the story forward? What transformation or resolution will inspire your audience? What changed because of your idea? How can you use visuals, language, and tone to make your story come alive? What strong opening and closing will leave an impact? Storytelling is more than a skill. It's a bridge. A bridge from your idea to the heart and mind of your audience. When you combine structure, authenticity, emotion, and clarity, your idea doesn't just get heard, it becomes unforgettable. So go out there. Craft your story, tell it boldly, and let your idea come alive. See you in the next lesson. Let's keep building your entrepreneurial voice.